guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, for those of you that don't know me, and I'm so excited to finally be giving you guys a room tour of my San Diego room. But with that being said, I'm also going to be moving, so that's exciting. I'm not going to be moving out of here, but changes are going to be happening and I'm very excited. My sister and her boyfriend have moved out, and I'm going to be having new roommates, so I'm going to be doing a video with them very soon. And there's a lot of moving vlogs coming soon. So I'm probably going to start it today, so I'll probably be looking like this. But yeah, so of course, if you guys have been subscribed to my channel, you know that one of the reasons why I started my channel in the first place was to document my life. Of course, that's why we all do it. But when I was growing up, my parents did like home videos, just like many of your parents probably did too. But then when we got to that awkward age, or like high school, they didn't really take videos. So I don't really have like videos to look back to. And so when I graduated high school, I decided to finally start my YouTube channel to document my life and do fun things. So yeah, so before I move my room and all that stuff, I wanted to show you guys my room, and for me to be able to look back to and be like, oh my god, that's how my room when I first moved out of my house looked like, and all that stuff. But it's also really cool because room tours are one of my favorite videos. It's room tours, hauls, and the Vogue Get Ready With Me videos. I love those. Let me know if you guys love those too, because whenever I see a new one, I'm like, click. But yeah, I love room tours because you get to see how other people organize their stuff. It gives you a decorating ideas and all that fun stuff. But again, this is a very small room, so it's not too crazy. I never like decorated it like overwhelmingly, because again, it's not like I own this place or anything. So I kept it very simple. I did bring a lot of things from back home that I had in my previous room. So if you've been subscribed, you'll recognize some of these items, but everything's linked down below. And yeah, I think we're just gonna go ahead and get started with the room tour. Okay, so we are now outside my bedroom door. It looks like this. Not that you guys care what the door looks like, but documentation purposes. So let's just go ahead and go inside. So as soon as you open the door, my room looks like this. So when you close my door, the first thing you'll see is my Kate Spade canvas bag that says "This is the life." My sister Frida gave it to me, and I just like having it on the go because this is the bag I use as for my lunch for work, and I just like throwing anything in there and taking it with me, so it's very convenient to have it here. Over here, I have my little desk area. Looks like this. Right here, I keep all of like extra little storage, of course. And then this is actually the white desk I brought from back home for my studio, and then this chair I brought it from my Calexico bedroom. So obviously I have my Mac. This is where all the editing happens. And then right here I have this beautiful like pink and purple marble mouse pad. I love it so much because for editing it's super convenient that I can kind of go all over the place. But when I ordered it, my sister had a similar one, but it was all black and it was like a lot smaller. So when it came in and then it was huge, it was so nice. I was so shocked, but it's so nice to have a big mouse pad. They have these on Amazon, so I'll link it down below, but they have a bunch of colors. They have the white marble, they have like galaxy, they have a whole bunch of them. So I'm just gonna link them down below. So back here, I always keep this air freshener. This is the Febreze April Fresh, my favorite scent, just to like spray my room and my bathroom. And then I keep one of my favorite candles, mahogany teakwood. I love it. I love musky scents. And then I have this lotion that my friend Marty gave me for Christmas. I'm not really super into sweet scents for lotions, but I love this one. It smells really good. It's her favorite. And it goes so well with my room, so thank you, Marty. And then right here, I have this little Polaroid picture frame with a picture of one of my best friends, Abigail, me, and my pup, Luna. And I like it because it's the ones that have all the little sparklies in there. So it's really cute. And then right here, I have these 3 Polaroids. So this one's me and my Luna when she was still a pup, and then me and my friend Elizabeth in Seattle, and then my mom and I for my 23rd birthday. We do that every single year, so it's really cute. And so I ordered more film on Amazon, and they came with these little picture frames, so I really like them and I just keep them here. So it's very cute. And then on this side, I just have a little notepad where I do all my to-do list, and then another one where I keep notes. And then right here I have this Daisy Marc Jacobs lotion. And then right here I keep this mug that has little boobs. It's an inside joke with my friend Pearl and I. She gave it to me for Christmas, so itty bitty titty committee. And this is actually from Urban Outfitters. I have this beautiful, beautiful picture frame. I got it at Home Goods and I love it because I love like all the Vogue vibes and the flowers. I'm super into flowers, obviously. And my mom has a flower shop, so it reminds me of the arrangements she makes with like eucalyptus and all that stuff. Here I have my black guitar that I don't know how to play. I was gonna get a white stand for it, but then I just never did because I forget about it because I don't play it. So I might get a white guitar stand. And then right here I have this plant basket. Again, I also took this plant in this basket, like plant holder, from my other room. So it just gives the room a lot more color and life, even though it's a fake plant, but it looks pretty real. Right here I have my jewelry station. It looks like this. So the reason obviously everyone knows these are from IKEA, and I got the little cubes at IKEA. So this is super convenient if you have if you live in an apartment, because I didn't have enough room in my closet because I'm a hoarder, but I'm also a huge thrifter, so I have too many clothes and I didn't really have space to keep like all the smaller stuff. So right here I keep all like bras and underwears, all of my socks, all of my gloves and scarves, and then right here I keep all of my bathing suits and leotards and one pieces and stuff like that. So super convenient and looks cute and clean. Over here I have my jewelry. So right here I have my to-go jewelry box that my friend Sylvs gave to me for my birthday. It's super convenient to have a to-go jewelry box. I didn't realize how much I needed it until she gave it to me. And then right here I have this like bracelet holder. I always keep all my to-goes on this side. Some earrings that are a bit chunkier over here, and then more of my boho jewelry on this side. And then right here I have more chunkier like earrings. So if you guys watched my last haul video, I talked about these clear earrings that Genevieve makes. So her brand is called From Dust to Clay, and she makes all these amazing earrings. These are some of them, the U ones. I got these like beautiful like rainbow type one. It's super cute, and I love it because you can wear chunky big earrings without the weight of them. They're super light and they're super cute and super affordable, so I'm gonna link it down below as well. I also talked about her in my last video. And then right here I keep all my rings, the little hand ring holder. I keep more earrings on the side, extra earrings back here, and then all the earrings I wear every day I have here. So obviously I'm wearing them right now, but I love this. It's super cute. And then right here I keep all of my pearls and one like gold necklace right there with a P. So it's a really nice way to like put all your jewelry out, but still making it like nice and formal and not all over the place. I've been currently obsessed with Burberry Brit. As you can tell, I'm almost done with them. So I just like to keep all of my perfume bottles as little decoratives. Some of them are running out. This one has perfume, but also let me know. I've been obsessed with these two Zara perfumes. This one's the Black Peony, and then this one's Apple Juice, but I've realized that the scent doesn't really stay. Like my Burberry Brit and Marc Jacobs will stay, but not these. These kind of like just go away. So not really a fan, but I don't know. Like I love how they smell, but they just don't last. I don't know. And then right here I have my bedside table. I actually took this bedside table from back home as well. I got it from Home Goods, and it has the mirror top, so it's very nice and cute. And then right here I have another candle. As you can tell, I love candles. This is another one of my favorites, the scent Flannel. I like muskier scents again. And then right here I have my little humidifier that I love. This one's from Target. And then I have my favorite scent that I also get from Target. It's the Sleep one, Sleep Dream one. It smells really good, super relaxing. And then I have this lip balm that my mom brought me when she went to China with my sister, so I wear that at night. And then I have my Amazon Alexa, and then super convenient. Honestly, I had never had one and I love it. You can put your alarm, put your music, whatever. It's amazing. My sister's boyfriend says I'm letting the government listen to me, but I mean, I really don't have anything to hide, so whatever. I have whichever book I'm reading at the moment, which right now it's this one from the corner of the oval. It's actually really good. I don't want to talk about it until I finish it, and then I'll do a video about books to read. And then up here I have my little personal prayer book that I got on my first Holy Communion, and I just read a prayer every day, and it's really good to like read them and then reflect on it before going to bed and just feeling very grateful and blessed and all of that, so I like having that there. Okay, so now here I have my bed. It looks like this. So this bed is actually from Wayfair and they still have it, so I'll link it down below. And when I moved in here, since it was such a small room, I obviously wanted a twin bed, but I also wanted a bed that had a trundle in the bottom so people can like come and stay over, so that's really nice. So I'm not sure where I got these. I think my mom bought me this one, and then she gave me this one for Christmas, and then the pillows came with it. And also she got me these. These are like Ralph Lauren like slip cases. This one, I got this one at Ross and Marshall's. If you guys are super into skincare and like anti-wrinkles and all that stuff, I definitely recommend getting a silk pillowcase. Again, super inexpensive. There's like, how much, like $10 at Ross and Marshall's. They're really nice. I don't always use it, but it's really nice to have. It really does help your skin. And then up here, I have these 3 pictures. They look like that. I actually just posted a picture on my Instagram with my heels up here because I was bored and I was being creative. So follow me on Instagram to see that. So right here, I have this picture of this like European architecture building. I just love European architecture, so I really liked it. I love art, I love structures and all of that stuff, so I have that there. And then that one is from, I want to say Target. I want to say it's from Target. And then over here I have this one. This one's from Home Goods, and I love it so much. I love that the picture is like a ripped paper, and then it says, I can't even talk anymore. It says, have a mind that is open to everything and attached to nothing. And I just love it because it's very live and let go kind of mentality. So I love that. This is a frame from Target that came with that picture already, so I just kept it because I really liked it. It's like very modern architecture, and then over here very old architecture, but it's very like artsy. I just love art and structures and geometric shapes and all that stuff, so I really liked it. And then over here I have my floor lamp that I also brought from back home. It's from IKEA, and I love it because it's like gold, white, black, and then it has the striped wiring, so it's like cute wiring. And yeah, I love having it here because if I'm not using it, I'll have it over here, and then if I'm reading, I'll put it over here, and it's pretty bright. So yeah, I love it. And then, so moving on, that's the bed. I keep this white chair. So I have 2 white chairs. I have one here and I have another one right here. I also brought these from back home. They used to be in my studio along with my white desk. But this one, well, I kind of like having both because if I'm putting my shoes on, I like sitting down on here. I don't like really messing up my bed. So I like sitting down here, putting my shoes on. I always keep my bag in one of these 2 chairs. So this is the bag I'm currently using. So I like to keep it here, like on the go. I don't really like to put it away. And then over here, so here I am. We'll do a little outfit of the day right now. So my favorite, okay, this is my absolute, I know I say everything's my favorite part of my room, but this really is my favorite part of the room, is this giant mirrored closet. Why? Because I didn't have to waste wall space to put a mirror, but also because it makes my tiny room so much bigger. It looks like the room just continues, so I love that. This was my favorite part about when I moved in. Really quick outfit of the day. So I tried to get experimental with today's outfit because quarantine's the time to experiment, but I've just been loving my overalls. So these overalls I purchased from my friend Sarah. I think she thrifted them or got them at a swap meet, I'm not sure. And then these like jean flats that I got from Goodwill. And then I have my little pink and beige belt from probably American Eagle I got a long time ago. And then this little pink off-the-shoulder shirt from Forever, my everyday jewelry, my rings, hair up in a ponytail. But yeah, that's today's look. Very at home. And it matches my room too. I don't know, I was just feeling pink today. And pink's not, it's so funny because pink's not my favorite color, but pink has always made its way into my room. Like there's always pink in my room, whether it's hot pink or pink. My high school bedroom was really cool because it was hot pink walls with black chandeliers on it, so it was really cool. It was kind of like Miley Cyrus's closet, which I'll insert right here. I was obsessed with that room, so I basically decorated my room that way. But yeah, so the last part of my room, again, I have another chair in here, and the last part is my hats. So I have them right here on the wall. So I have my straw hat, my 2 hats. So that one's, what is that one brand called that they sell? Oh, Brixton. I got that one at Buffalo Exchange, surprisingly. And they gave me like a huge deal because it was ripped, but I just stitched it back up and it was like $5. And then I have my black hat from Target, my favorite pink hat from Lack of Color, and then another Brixton hat that I got at another thrift store, super inexpensive. And I love having my hats laid out. I mean, pretty much anyone that has hats have them laid out like this, but I'm just not a fan at the same time because they get pretty dusty. I mean, you can always use like a lint roller, but it's just not helping my pink hat. I feel like it's getting dirty. I don't know. How do you guys store your hats? Let me know because I might need to find a new way. So that is all for today's video. Like I said, my room was very small, but I decorated enough for it to feel homey and like myself. I'm a little sad to let this room go, but I'm also very excited for the changes to come. I can't wait to start decorating and filming all of the moving and all that stuff. Other than that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. And also follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see more behind the scenes and inspo and all that stuff. And before I start talking too much, that's it for today's video. Stay tuned and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for joining my little family and I'll see you later.